Hey y'all, Meso here. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I am going to be showing you how to make something quick, easy, simple, and delicious. Isn't that the kind of recipe that you love? I do too. Let's get started. Let's go take a look at what we need to make this happen. Look at this pasta dish. This is called little ear pasta because the pasta looks like little ears. Look at that. So we're going to just get right on into it. I have put some shrimp in this pan. I'm going to saute them. I don't want to put a whole lot of anything on them because I don't want to lose the integrity or the flavor of the shrimp. I'm putting a little bit of Old Bay on it. And I have, of course, my new favorite seasoning is Spice It Right. And I'm going to put a little bit of that on here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and saute these shrimp until they are done. It won't take but a minute. Now this looks like I'm putting a lot on, but the holes are so tiny, I'm not getting much out. So I have let these just brown on both sides, and then I'm going to go ahead and get them out once they're brown. And but I want to hit them with this a little bit of cayenne. Want that little kick. All right, looking good. They're ready to come up now. So I have already boiled and drained my little ear pasta, and they're so small it didn't take but just a few minutes, about 6 minutes. And I've rinsed them and drained them, and I've got them here in my bowl. I'm going to put in some spring onions that I have chopped up. I'm going to put a few spring onions in here, and I have some feta cheese, honey. I got feta cheese, and I'm going to go put this feta cheese on here, and that's the kind of cheese I'm going to be using in this pasta salad today. It's going to make it so good. Don't you worry your pretty little head, because you're going to be able to get the recipe and all the ingredients and how much to use right over there in the description box. So I also have some Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to just put some Parmesan cheese in here also. That flavor combination is going to be awesome. The feta and the Parmesan going to be awesome, honey. I put some chopped up red onions in here, and I put some salami. Now this salami is a hard salami that you get from the deli. This is a salami Tuscana, but you can put Genoa or another kind of salami, but it's just got to be the hard, small little roll. If you're using sandwich salami, you'll lose a lot in the taste, and then it won't be right. Just use that hard roll of salami from the deli. I have chopped up some parsley, and I put it down into the bowl. And I've chopped up some red, some green, and some yellow bell peppers really fine, and so I've got them into the bowl. I'm going to be using some Italian seasoning, not seasoning, but Italian salad dressing. It doesn't matter what kind that you get from the store. You don't have to. It doesn't have to be Wishbone or that. It just any salad dressing that you can get that is Italian. I'm going to get this right down over all of my other ingredients, and I'm going to stir this up with my beautiful spoonula. This says Meso making it, and it is currently my new thing to use. I love it. It is it's wide, and it is a spatula and a spoon at the same time. Now I have this for sale on my website, and there'll be a link to that in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and put some mayonnaise in now. And I don't need a lot of mayonnaise because I do have the salad dressing. So I'm going to put in, this is like a serving tablespoon. So I'm going to put, I guess this probably maybe about 2 tablespoons worth. Going to put that mayonnaise in there. Now I'm going to begin to stir with my Meso, making it spoonula. And going to stir that up and get it all combined and get ready for my next ingredient. So I am going to begin to put my seasonings in. So the first thing I'm going to put in is my garlic powder. And I'm going to put in my black pepper. I like black pepper, and I'm going to put quite a bit into mine. You put the amount you want. Now with these seasonings, it's preference. If you don't like black pepper, don't use it. Now this Spice It Right, I've been telling y'all, this is my new love. I have fallen in love with this, and it's so good in salads and on fish, and it's just really, really good. I wish you guys would try it. But I'm going to put this Spice It Right in here, and I'm going to also put some jerk seasoning in, and I just want to, I want this to just have a little bit of a little kick to the flavor. So this is going to do the trick. I might add just a sprinkle or two of cayenne, honey, depending on how frisky I feel. So I'm going ahead and I'm getting it mixed up. I'm mixing it well. And so I've got my shrimp now from the pan, the one that you saw me saute. And I'm going to get the shrimp and get it into this dish. I wanted to put it in very, very last because I want the shrimp to stand out. I want you to be able to see it and taste it and all of that. I have actually pan roasted some little grape tomatoes, and I didn't do that on camera, but I'm going to get that in there. I don't need but a few of them. I'm going to get that in there just to give some contrast and a little bit of extra flavor. Now, I've taken this out. Y'all tell me what you think about this. It looks good to me, but guess what? It tastes so much better. This is really simple to do, and it makes a fabulous dish. My grandkids love it. I love it. Big Daddy loves it. You can't go wrong with this dish. It is really good. I'm getting in here and I'm going through this and getting these little ear pastas. If you can't find little ear, then you can use small shells or small bow ties. Pasta is pasta. It really doesn't. It really doesn't matter. I'm getting all kind of distracted now. Look at that. Ooh, so good. Smells great. Tastes great too. So good. You guys can do this. Get some of this in your life. Get some of this for you. Make some of this for your family. They will love you for it. They'll call you kitchen rock star, honey, right there in your own home, right in your own kitchen. I give this a big thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, in fact, because it is so, so good. Take a last look. Take a final look. Make sure you make this. Holidays are coming up. It'll be a great thing to make when you have people dropping by. Wonderful. Guys, I want to thank you for coming by today, checking on me because you wanted to see what I was doing. Now, you knew that I would be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. Guys, if you've already subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it. I thank you so much. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way, when the parentheses come around the bell, you'll know that you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I'd like for you to comment and support me on the other platforms. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm on Pinterest. Come over and give me some support and come over and take a look-see and see what I'm doing over there. I appreciate you guys so much. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to love yourself. We don't have enough of that going on. People wonder why other people don't love other people because you don't love yourself. First, I want you to love yourself. Take care of yourself. Be kind to yourself. Then that way you'll have some love left over that you can give to somebody else. Love somebody else by sharing your food. That's one easy way to do it. Share your love, share your food. Share your food, share your love. Guys, take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. And until then, be good and bye-bye.